Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will proceed further and take question number 4. What condition does Sherlock put forth if the debt is not paid in time? I'll recall answers of all these questions for you. You have to note down these answers in your notebook and prepare for your exam. The answer is Antonio comes to Sherlock to borrow an amount of 3,000 ducats to help him friend Bassanio. However, Antonio had insulted and abused Sherlock in public many a time. He had harmed Sherlock's money-lending business also by lending money to people without charging any interest. Sherlock has deep hatred for Antonio, but he became ready to lend money to Antonio, and that also without any interest. In fact, he does not want to spare Antonio, who has fallen into his clutches. He says that he wants to be friendly with the Christians. He pretended to offer the loan out of goodwill. He says that in a merry spot, Antonio should sign a bond only. He puts forth a condition in the bond. According to the condition, if Antonio did not repay the amount in time, he would forfeit a pound of flesh to be cut from any part of his body that Sherlock pleased. In fact, Sherlock wanted to get rid of Antonio forever, and his whole intent was that Antonio should bleed to death. So this was the answer of your question 4. Now we move to the question 5th. How does Bassanio marry Portia? The answer is Portia is a rich lady of Belmont. She is very beautiful. Bassanio falls in love with her and wants to marry her, but for this he needs money. So he goes to his friend Antonio and asks him to lend him 3,000 ducats. But Antonio has no ready money at that time. He has no merchandise on which he can raise money. All his ships also have gone abroad and will take some time to return. So Antonio decides to borrow money from the cruel moneylender Sherlock. He has to sign a dangerous bond for this. According to the bond, if Antonio did not repay the amount by a certain day, he would give a pound of flesh from his body. Bassanio grows angry at the condition mentioned in the bond. He begs Antonio not to risk his life by signing that strange bond. But Antonio is fully sure that he is running no risk. He cheerfully signs the bond, takes money from Sherlock and gives it to Bassanio. Bassanio then leaves for Belmont to marry his beloved Portia. So this was the answer of your question 5th. We will take next question inshallah tomorrow in the next video class. Till then, goodbye.